first we planned the entire campus. The entire campus was designed so that there is a water system is first in place. So we have underground water systems from the borewell. So we have laid down the pipes underground, and we have pipes given in each of the places. Then we connected the entire thing with the drip irrigation system, because summer is very hot here, and because the plant needs continuous water, and it's a big campus, so we had to design the water. Second, we had to design the pathways. The complete campus, we have laid down the pathway, and both sides of the pathway we have planted different variety of native flowers. So you can see here, this is Indian cherry. Then we have this creeper. So this creeper actually covers a lot of area. It gives yellow flowers. That is jasmine. This is durando. Then we have ratrani. We have this mogra. You can see beautiful white flower mogra. This is called bud mogra. So both the sides we have planted different variety of flowers. So this section we have planted strawberry. Strawberry is quite difficult to grow without chemicals, so we took it as a challenge. And strawberry, we have made 3 beds here. You can see we have planted the strawberry sapling. Now it is just 15 days we did this plantation. Now the growth is pretty good. This section is a vegetable garden section. We have done this also is in a particular design. This is called a mandala design. We have a square, rectangle, and circle in between. So this concept is that every pocket has a different kind of vegetable. This is carrot, that is radish, then we have cauliflower, then we have lady's finger, brinjal, then tomato. So we have around 12 different variety of vegetables here. So some of the vegetables we are not even purchasing from outside. So whatever is grown here, we are consuming it, and this is like 100% organic. We are not using not even a single gram of chemical or pesticide is used here, not even fertilizer. So we have our compost pit, whatever leaves which are fallen. So we are having a compost pit, which is like the vermicompost pit. Whatever we have there also we have 3 types of worms, and the manure which comes from this compost pit is used for this crops. This section we have planted only fruit trees. So we have around more than 15 variety of fruit trees. We have 4 variety here: orange, then we have musambi, then we have chiku, and lemon. So you can see here in between we have planted flower trees also. So every sapling we have ensured that there is a bamboo stick is there for the support. Then we have made pit so that water stops. Then you can see here every plant has a mulching. So whatever waste like grass, any vegetable waste or the leaf waste, we have used it for a mulching. So mulching helps to retain the moisture, water, so that the soil is cool and then it doesn't heat up. We have extreme summers right now. It is touching 38 to 40 degrees, but you can see that the growth of all the plants and is very good, and none of it is spoiled. Here we have planted the grapes. So we got the local variety of grapes. So we have 4 variety of grapes here. So 2 are black variety, and then 2 are green. So this is like 1 month old. So we have good growth, and each one is given a bamboo support. So next year this will come for harvesting by next December to February. So this will be harvested, and you can see that we have given manure. So mostly it is organic compost manure, and here also we have done mulching, and we have done the drip irrigation so that continuous water supply is there. So we also have date palm. We have one kaju there, and badam. So we have planted this dry fruit trees also. you can see here, this is kadi patta. You can see the flower in the kadi patta. At the corners we have planted people, then you have banyan tree, pimple and wood. So every corner we have this big tree. This actually helps give continuous oxygen, and then it is also antiviral. It doesn't allow the viruses etc. to be grown here. You can see this line. This line is completely, again we have planted flowering flower plant, and we have a complete path, and the inner side is all big kind of trees. We have, this is the moringa, then we have neem trees, we have badam ka tree. This is moringa tree, the drumstick. This every corner we have planted moringa tree. This is also every farm should have moringa tree. We have amla also. This is like a small amla, so amla is also come very nice. And then we have made a path. So that we can walk even in rainy season. So both the sides you can see, again we have planted the flower trees. So we also have the fruit trees, and this side we have the complete banana plantation. The banana plantation, banana keeps the environment cool. It also helps retain the soil moisture, and here you can see different variety of this is ratarani. So during the night it gives very good smell. So all we have ensured that all are mostly native species. You can see jasmine flower. Then this is Madhumalati. Madhumalati is also native species, so it gives very good fragrance. We have chapa. Chapa also we have around 4 variety of chapa. Red, we have one red variety. This is Indian cherry. Then this is parijata. Parijata is also very. This is mentioned even in the old textures. So this gives very good flower, and very helpful for the this actually attracts a lot of bees and butterflies. You can see a lot of butterflies around here, because all these flowers need pollination, and butterflies and bees are attracted. This line is a tapioca. This is called a tapioca plant. So from this we have eaten sabudana khichdi. So the sabudana is made from this roots of this tapioca. So this patch is medicinal plants. So we have ashwagandha. We can see this is adulsa, and we have shatavari and brahmi, gopsura, landga. So different variety of medicinal herbs here to get protection from the heat. So we have done this kind of creepers here. We have this kashi bhopla, then kaddu, etc. This is a fig tree. Fig tree is very revered in our religion also. So the growth of this tree is phenomenal. It gives a lot of oxygen. It gives a lot of fruits. A lot of birds are attracted in this tree. And the very interesting thing about this tree is the birds eat the fruits, and then the seeds are fallen, and lot of saplings around this tree is grown naturally. So we can we collect these saplings, and then we make it into, I'll show you the nursery. We put it into a small bag, and then once the growth is little high, 2 feet, etc., then we do the replanting of this tree. Here also you can see entire patch we have covered with different kind of flower thing. So this is a creeper. So I had gone to a place, so I found this creeper. So from the mountain area I got this creeper. So it covers the area, and then it gives red, pink kind of flowers. So we have planted this thing. This also gives violet color flowers. So these creepers help to retain the moisture in the soil, and then it doesn't allow any kind of weeds and other things, and it also attracts a lot of butterflies. Here we have aloe vera with different variety of flowers here. This is jasmine, and we have mango and banana also. Here this is a chapa tree that has grown to its full potential. This is pomegranate sapling. This is now flowering season, so we expect pomegranate to be harvested in 1 month. So you can see a lot of birds, lot of nesting also. Lot of birds are attracted to all these different varieties. So our concept was create biodiversity, maximum local variety, and mostly planned in such a way that there is harmonious growth of each of the species. This is red chapa. This is also a very rare variety. This gives a good smell. We have roses. You can see a lot of bees attracted. We have mango. This is kesar mango. So this is come for harvesting now. And this is मसाला लीफ तेज पत्ता बोलते हैं इसको. तो ये इधर डायरेक्टली हम we take this leaf and then we use directly in our kitchen. This is Peru. This is a nursery we have created here. All this small saplings, we had thrown the seeds in the mulching area, so this has naturally grown. Once the saplings are little bigger, so we take it from the soil. This is called Akashadumbi. This is sky jasmine. So it grows into a very tall tree, and then it gives a very beautiful white flower during November-December season. So we have around more than 500 kind of saplings we have created here. So we have tamarind, chinch locally bolta. So we have a tamarind tree also. Here we have mango and wood also. You can there's a technique. So once this kind of stems are cut, and then we put it in the soil where we treat it in organic Jivamrut, and then we put it. So this is bougainvillea. So we have cut the bougainvillea, and you can see there is a good growth. Even banyan tree, you can cut the stem of the banyan tree, and then you can put it after treatment in the Jivamrut. So we have created a local nursery also. We got a lot of local seeds from the local farmers here, papaya and all the vegetables. So we have grown it in our nursery, and then we do the tree plantation. This is jackfruit. You can see jackfruit grown. So every big tree we have put a kind of small nest so for the birding. So every tree we have kept a small kind of nest, and we have put water bowls in all the clay water bowls in the entire campus. So birds are attracted towards this. Okay, here tulsi variety here naturally because of the seed, so we just put it in the pot or the soil. So again naturally it is grown. This is Ratrani. So this growth is very nice. This gives very good fragrant smell in the night. Then you have this is Sadapali. This is the flowers throughout the year, and this is Madhumalati. The beautiful thing about it is Madhu and Malati. So you have two colors of flowers in the same plant. You have red and white, and this growth. This was also in a pot. So what we did is we planted it in the soil. So this is growing to its full potential, and you can see the creepers growth here. This is the oxygen. This is oxygen plant. It gives a lot of oxygen. So this can be planted in any house. If you have a small place, so this can be planted. You can see here Sadapali naturally it keeps growing. So small saplings are grown. So this is the mango. So it is come for harvesting. So you can see lot of this is kesar mango. This we have made a pond here, so you can see lotus in this pond. The lotus is blossomed and is very beautiful. So we have bougainvillea. This is also we designed it such a way that it becomes like a selfie point. So here in this small patch you can see there are 15 variety of different variety of trees here. This is Ashoka. We have Ramford here. ये चंदन का झाड़ है. उसके बाद these are flower. Jatropha, then rose. You have tamarind. Then you have tikku. So you can see very dense kind of growth. People ask in small patch can we grow different variety of trees. So this is an example. Now it has become like a layer. You can see very tall trees to short trees to a very small level of trees. So it is kind of complete growth. It has become like a dense forest here.